Monday edition of Second Grade News. A wise person once said that integrity is telling the truth, while honesty is telling the truth to other people. Our core value this month is integrity. Someone with integrity chooses to be truthful in whatever they say and do. Let's remember that today. Now, let's all stand and join Hannah as she leads us in the Pledge of Allegiance.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Awesome job, you guys. Now, this week, reading is going to look a little bit different than it normally does because we're not going to have quite as much independent work to do at home because we're going to be completing our checklist assessments. So, we will not have as much reading work as we normally do this week, but that's because I want you to really focus on your checklist assessments and do your best on those. We will have a new phonics skill, we're working on open and closed syllables, and we're also going to be looking at inflectional endings this week. In grammar, we're going to be looking at types of sentences. For our reading lesson, we're going to be reading the book Spiders by Gail Gibbons, and this book is a non-fiction text. So we're going to get to look at a non-fictional text about spiders and learn lots of new facts and information. In math this week, we are going to begin adding with 2-digit numbers. So I cannot wait to get started on all of these fun things with you guys today. We're going to kick it on over to calendar, and then we will get started rocking and rolling with our Monday, October 5th. Have a great day. Good morning, guys, and welcome to calendar. All right, remember, last week we changed to a new month, and that month is October. So let's say our month together. Here we go. O-C-T-O-B-E-R, October. Good job. Now, we have started a new pattern, and we saw last week that the first two shapes in our pattern are orange circles, okay? Now, we're going to look to see what happened on Saturday and Sunday to see if we can figure out our pattern, okay? So Saturday, we have a green rectangle, all right? Let's see what happens on, let's see. We do know that we need to put a B right here because it's a different shape, okay? So we have A, A, B. All right, let's look at this. Yesterday was Sunday, and it is a circle. So what do we put for our orange circles? We put an A. Now, I think I might know what our pattern is, but I'm not sure because I've got to make sure that it repeats exactly before we can know for sure if that is what our pattern is. So let's look and see what today's what today's shape is. It is going to be a orange circle. So we're going to put another A. So far we know that we have our pattern A, A, B, A, A, and we'll have to see what tomorrow's shape will be. So real quick, I want you to pause your video, and you're going to make under 3, you're going to draw your green rectangle. Under Sunday the 4th, you're going to draw an orange circle. And under Monday the 5th, you're going to draw another orange circle. Okay, so pause your video, draw your green rectangle, orange circle, and then come on back. All right, now let's say today's date together. We know that today is Monday, October 5th, 2020. Very good. I forgot to erase our other stuff from Friday. Hold on just a second. All right, let me erase really quick before we get going really good. All right, sorry about that. All right, now we're going to go ahead and add another number to our hundreds chart. And remember, we know that the very last number in our hundreds chart row is always going to be a number that ends with 0. So we have the number 40 in our hundreds chart. All right, So it is time for us to add another ones cube to our chart, okay? So we're gonna add another ones cube. Color it in and see what you notice about this. When we color in 10 of those 1 cube squares, what can we do? We can make a trade because we know that 10 1 cubes or 10 ones is equal to 1 10 rod, right? So 10 ones is equal to 1 10. So now we have 0 1 cubes, but we have 1 2 3 4 10 rods. All right? So 4 10 rods and 0 ones equals 40. All right, let's see how much money we have today. We're going to add in another penny. Here we go. Ready? We know we start with our quarters. Quarter, quarter, big and bold. You're worth 25, I am told. All right, so 25. We move to our dimes. Dime, dime, little and thin. I remember you're worth 10. Okay, so 25 plus 10. 25, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. All right, so today we have 40 cents. Or we can write that as $0.40. Great job. Now, if we look closely though, I see that I have 5 pennies. And I know that 5 pennies, 1 cent, 2 cents, 3 cents, 4 cents, 5 cents, is worth the same thing as what other coin? Nickel, nickel, thick and fat. You're worth 5 cents. I know that. So remember, we can take out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cents. I can take 5 of those out and I can put in a nickel. Let's see. Here we go. 25, 30. Oh, nope. 25, 35, and then 35, 40. So we still have that 40 cents. Very good. All right, we are going to add a minute to our clock. And I don't have my red marker, so I'm just going to do it in black. So we have made it all the way to another benchmark number. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. So now our clock is showing 1:40 because we have been around the clock for that many minutes. All right, let's go ahead and look at our pattern of the day. Today we're going to be counting by 5s, and we are going to start at the number 470. All right, 470, and we're counting by 5s. Go ahead and do that now. And then come on back, and we will check our answers. All right, 470, 475, 480, 485, 490, 495. What comes after 95? 500, 505, 510, 515. Great job today, guys. I will see you in just a little bit in reading groups.